Ay kabahay, naghanap ka ba ng ready for occupancy single detached unit? Located lamang yan dito sa Silang at kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng property near Tagaytay City, this property is available for sale for only 20 million. It has a lot area of 378 square meters. Meron ka ng dalawang corner lot. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Hi kabahay, so alika, appreciate natin ang ating exterior. So as you can see, itong corner area na to is the property line and then until the end is dito sa kabilang corner area. So tara, check naman natin ang ating carport area. So sa carport area, kaya nito mag-accommodate ng 3 cars. Tara kabahay, check naman natin ang ating porch area. So as you can see sa porch area natin, makikita nyo elevated ang ating property. So ito po ay naka-uphill area. On this area naman, meron tayong garden area. Dahil single detached ang ating property, makikita nyo kung gaano ka-spacious ang ating garden area. So upon turnover po, makikita nyo na well-maintained ang ating property. Naka-pest control po ito every 3 months. Ito naman ang access natin papunta sa ating lanay area at the back door. Welcome kabahay dito sa ating property. So as you can see, this is the living area. Ang ating pong flooring ay may non-skid na tiles upon turnover. And on this area naman makikita nyo, meron tayo ditong L-shaped sofa. May center table na rin tayo dito and may maganda tayong chandelier. And then ang ceiling is naka-cove na po. So this is the dining area mga kabahay. So as you can see, dito sa ating dining area, meron tayong access papunta sa ating parking area. Meron tayong included na 12-seaters na dining table, standing na air condition, and then of course, meron tayo dong access papunta sa ating lanay area. So in this area mga kabahay is the kitchen area. So as you can see here, this is a kitchen area. Meron tayo dito refrigerator, meron tayong bar top, and of course, meron tayong center island dito sa ating cooking area. So sa cooking area, as you can see, meron na tayo dito ready installed na cooktop, may gas range, may built-in cabinets over and under, and then the kitchen sink. So in this area mga kabahay, ay meron tayo dito ang access papunta sa ating garden area. This is the toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. All fixtures po is included upon turnover. Check natin mga kabahay ang ating bedroom number 1 dito sa ating ground floor. So upon entering po dito ay meron tayo ditong maliit na space for your maid's room. And then may access siya papunta sa ating laundry area. This one naman is a storage area or pantry area. So you can choose if ever gawin nyo itong storage area or pantry area. So dito sa staircase mga kabahay, ang ating staircase is made of solid wood. And then meron tayo ditong metal railings. Meron din tayo ditong malaking window for natural lighting. This is made from awning. And then also included is the chandelier here, the staircase area. So this is the living area here at the second floor. So as you can see mga kabahay, meron tayong malaking L-shaped sofa na included upon turnover. May maganda tayong chandelier as centerpiece and may access tayo papunta sa ating wide balcony. And then also included upon turnover is the TV. So dito tayo ngayon mga kabahay sa ating bedroom number 1. So as you can see dito sa ating bedroom number 1 sa second floor, kasyang-kasya dito ang double size bed. Actually, pwede nyo siyang palitan if you prefer. But this is also included upon turnover. And ang good thing, may built-in cabinet, may vanity area, and meron na tayong access papunta sa ating mini balcony. Let's check bedroom number 2. So as you can see, same as bedroom number 1 mga kabahay, kasya ang double size bed or even queen size bed. Meron na tayong kasamang split type aircon upon turnover, built-in cabinets and the vanity area, and of course, the access going to the mini balcony. So here at the second floor mga kabahay, meron tayong shared toilet and bath which is located here on the right side. So as you can see, complete fixtures po ito upon turnover. Wait, there's more mga kabahay dahil papasukin natin ang ating master's bedroom. So as you can see dito sa master's bedroom, napakaluwag ng space natin. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng working area. As you can see on the bed, kasya po dito up to king size bed or pwede kayong magpa-customize if you prefer a bigger one. And then this one is also included upon turnover. So as you can see, meron na tayo dito entertainment area. And of course, meron tayong master's toilet and bath. Let's check mga kabayan ang ating master's toilet and bath with master's walk-in closet. So as you can see mga kabahay, sa ating master's toilet and bath, meron tayong bathtub and shower enclosure on the shower area. Of course, complete fixtures din po ito upon turnover. Let's check mga kabayan ang ating balcony area. So as you can see dito sa ating balcony area, napakaluwag ng space na to. Meron pa tayong access doon which is pwede natin gamitin to as gathering area if you have an occasion. So kabayan, nagustuhan mo ba ang ating property feature for today? If you are interested to view this property, please send us a message. Again, this is amounting to 20 million, located in Sinang, Cavite, near Tagaytay City. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested in looking for a property investment, this is the best property for you. Please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Bon Charlie Tapawan of Exosia Properties or PRC and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.